1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset a Google Nest Hub Max, which we've got right here. You need to plug it in, and then all you're going to do is flip this over, and on the back side of this there is a volume up and volume down. It's all one button. You're just going to press those both at the same time and hold it down until you see the screen start to reset. So I'm going to hold those down right now. I'm holding both the up and down button at the same time, holding them, and it says device will be factory reset.
You're about to completely reset this device. Release to cancel.
Okay, so you can see it's going through the factory reset. Now I can let go of that, and that is how you factory reset the Google Nest Hub Max. I was having an issue with mine because it wouldn't connect to Wi-Fi because I got a new Wi-Fi network, so I needed to factory reset it. And now I could set it up and connect it to the Wi-Fi network so that this will work again. So thanks for watching this video on how to factory reset your Google Nest Hub Max or Google Hub or Google Home Max device. And you can see it's just going to go through here. And once it gets to the setup screen, we'll let you be so that you can go use your own device and factory reset it if you need to. But this works with the Google Home, Google Voice Assistant, so that if you want to be able to control devices through Google Home, like maybe your Nest thermostat, you can do so using voice commands. And this one had just not been connected to the Wi-Fi network, and I couldn't figure out how to get it reconnected. So it goes through a little setup process here, and pretty soon we should be ready to set this back up. We'll have another video that shows you how to set up this device.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Great. So it is now complete. Thank you for watching this video on how to factory reset your Google Nest Hub Max. We'll see you next time.